Updating your bank details on the Lyft driver app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Open the Lyft driver app. Launch the Lyft driver app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with your driver account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Information. In the Account section, look for the Payment or Bank Account option. Tap on it to view your current bank details and payment methods. Step 4. Update bank details. Select the option to edit or add a new bank account. Enter your new bank account information, including the account number and routing number, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your bank details will be updated in the Lyft driver app. Make sure to check that the changes have been applied correctly before your next payout.